Thinking about applying to Arbitrum Open House? Here is the real question. Can you pass the same test the judges will give you? 5 questions. Answer them honestly. Question 1. Can you demo your product right now? Not a pitch deck, not a slide, a working product deployed on Arbitrum that someone can use without your help. If it only works on your local machine, that is a signal to get it ready for more than just your own use. Question 2. Why does this need to exist on Arbitrum? If you strip the word Arbitrum from your application and it reads the same, that is a problem. Judges want projects that use the ecosystem, not just the EVM. Question 3. Does it fit a focus sector? Payments, DeFi, RWAs, privacy, consumer products, or Arbitrum native tooling? If it does not fit, you need to show real traction. Question 4. What makes your approach different? Do not just say you are building a better version. Name the gap in the market. Then show why your solution is the one that fills it. Question 5. Will you keep building after the event? If your repo goes quiet after submission, judges notice. Show consistent commits, documentation, and a real roadmap. If 2 or more answers feel shaky, that is not a rejection. It is your build list. Close the gaps, then submit. The NYC Buildathon is live. The NYC Founder House is open for registration right now. The Dubai Online Buildathon registration is also open right now, with the Buildathon running from April 23rd to May 14th and the Founder House from May 28th to 31st. Apply now at openhouse.arbitrum.io.